My strategy really works, and it works perfectly because it gives me the brilliant results. And we've achieved our goal for today. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and again it's Emma and we continue our trading. If you remember that I have my own personal Telegram, you can find the link to this Telegram in the description under this video, where I created, if you want to be in the special private chat where I post the trading signals, I will tell you about this trading signals a little bit later. Yes, just write me the word private. It's our code word to my Telegram, and I will add you there. And there you will find the trading signals, and I will tell you that it's 80 and 90% of this trading signals are profitable. Yes, and yesterday already we practiced this, and really we had such results. So do not forget to subscribe to the channel, put your like, write your comment. Yes, check my Telegram in the description under this video, and we are getting started. So guys, today we are trading on the pocket option platform, and my deposit today is $1, but I will try to overclock it to $5,000. So guys, the first situation for our trading is a descending triangle. At the moment the price has come out of the triangle down, and therefore I will enter a trade with up. And I think 1 minute will be enough for getting a pullback after breaking through or exiting the triangle figure. So let's see what we can get here. So it's great, we have a few seconds left and we're here getting the pullback, and the trade is bringing us the profit. So let's go on. So guys, here you can see the support level. Also there is the huge red candlestick having fallen down to our support level. So here I suggest entering for 2 minutes with up. I think here there will be a small pullback and trade is gonna close in the profit. So guys, let's see that. So guys, the inner support level has worked perfectly well. Also, after a huge drawdown, there's been a small pullback and we're getting our profit. Let's move on to the next situation. So guys, here you also can see the big red candlestick. There is a good drawdown to our support zone, and the price has almost dropped there. And so I'm entering the trade with up literally for 1 minute. I think here there's gonna be a small pullback, and so let's see what we can get here. Well guys, you can see that there is the great pullback from the support zone. The price is gone really high, right to its previous level, and even it's gone beyond. So I'm going to enter my next trade right here, and I'll do that with $4 for a decrease. I think 1 minute time will be fine, and let's see what result this trade will have this time. Well guys, logically there is also a pullback and we're getting a good profit here. So deposit now is already $7. Let's move on to the next situation. So guys, here you can see the strong down trend, and also the price is approaching our support level. So I want to enter a trade here for literally 1 minute. I think it's enough time to get a pullback here, so let's do that and see what it will bring this time. Well guys, the level of support has worked out perfectly well. There's been the excellent pullback and the trade closed in the good profit. Let's move on to the next situation. So guys, here is the similar situation. You can see and notice huge red candlesticks, and the price has dropped down to the very support level. So here I'm sure to enter a trade with up, and I think that within 1 minute there will be a pullback. And this time is enough for that. So let's see what the result will be. So well guys, after a small flat there is a great pullback and our trade is bringing us profit. And we already have $23 on our deposit, so let's keep on. Well guys, here you can see a price range. The price has got into that and is moving in this range. Here also there are the support and resistance levels, and while the price is in this range from the upper to the lower level, I'm going to enter the trade for 1 minute because the price is near our upper level and this is the resistance level, and I'm entering the trade with down. Within 1 minute, I believe it will close net positive. I think guys, it will be quite well. Let's see what we can get here. It's great, guys. The price range gave its reaction, the price has dropped lower and we're getting the profit here. So let's keep on our trading. So guys, you can see the resistance level, and I also see that the price is approaching our level with a slight pullback. So I suggest entering the trade here for 2 minutes with the reserve. I think this time is quite enough, and I reckon that the price will approach this level and further may break it through. But anyway, here we have the distance from the entry point to the main resistance level, so within 2 minutes it continues to grow to the level. So guys, let's see what we get here. So guys, 2 minutes with the reserve was quite enough here, and after a small pullback the price goes up and you can also see a breakout of the level. And our trade is bringing us the great profit. So guys, let's see, maybe we can enter the next trade right here. And there is a good price drop, and just at the peak I'm entering the trade with up. I think 1 minute will be quite enough, and so let's see what we can get this time. So guys, there is also a good reaction from the inner level, and the price is confidently going up to our main resistance level. So here this trade is bringing us the awesome profit, and our deposit now is $140. So guys, since the price has come to our main resistance level, so I really want to enter the next trade right here. Let's do it with $140 for a decrease. I think 1 minute is enough here, and I'm sure there will be a small pullback and the trade will close in the profit. So let's see what we can get here. So guys, that's amazing. From the resistance level we're getting a good pullback down. 1 minute's been quite enough here, and now trade is net positive again. Let's come to the next situation. So guys, here you can see an ascending triangle figure. Also there is the resistance level at the top and our oblique trend line. So I suggest entering the trade for an increase here, and I'll open it with the reserve of 5 minutes. I think this time will be quite enough here. Well, let's see what result it will bring this time. So guys, well, 5 minutes with the reserve was quite enough here, and from our support level of the uptrend, the price is strongly going up. And there is an exit from the triangle figure, so here we are getting an excellent profit. And now our deposit is $466. That's awesome. Let's continue. Well, here you can see the support level. Also we see that there is a strong downtrend going well, so I'm going to enter trade here for 2 minutes with down. Since there is still a space to the main support level, and I believe that here we'll be able to close this trade in the profit. So let's see what we'll get here. Well guys, 2 minutes time was quite enough here. The price has continued its movement to the support level, and here we are getting an excellent profit. So guys, let's keep on. Well guys, here there is a good strong downtrend to the main support level. There is still a space, and I want to enter the trade with down. And I believe that 3 minutes will be enough here. So let's open the trade due to the trend with down for 3 minutes, and let's see what happens this time. So guys, the trend upward movement slowed down a little bit, but still continued. So here we are getting our profit again. So let's move on to the next situation. So guys, here you can see the resistance level and the uptrend. Also notice that the price has already touched this level. Next, there's been a small pullback down and again touched our level, and again the small pullback down. And right here, I'm going to enter my trade. I think 3 minutes with the reserve will be quite enough. I'll do that with up, expecting that the price will break through this level and go up. Let's see what happens this time. So guys, after a small flat, the price still went up to our level, although I haven't waited for a breakdown. But anyway, the trade is net positive again. So We have already $2,392 on our deposit, and so I really want to keep on and reach my goal. So guys, I decided to wait for the breakthrough at this currency pair because, as I've said, it should happen due to the technical analysis. And the breakout of this level really happens, and here I will enter literally for 1 minute at the pullback went down after an upward impulse. So guys, let's see what we'll get this time, what results our trade will close. So guys, after breaking through the level, there's been a small pullback and we're getting the brilliant profit. So we already have $4,092 on our deposit. That's great. Let's look for the next citation. Well, here you can see a good and strong downtrend. Also, there is a space to the support level. So here I suggest to enter the trade at the pullback went down for 3 minutes. I believe 3 minutes will be enough, so I'm entering with $2,000 and let's see what we will get this time. Well guys, the trend movement has continued and we are getting the gorgeous profit. And now our deposit is $5,792, but we started with only $1. And you know, it's perfect. This absolutely crazy result, and I'm sure that my strategy really works, and it works perfectly because it gives me the brilliant results. And you know, we've achieved our goal for today. Now we can stop because for the next time we will prepare some, you know, more ambitious tasks for ourselves. So but now you can come to the description under this video, find there my personal Telegram. Come to there and write me the code word private, and I will add it to my special private chat where 80 and 90% of trading signals that I post there are profitable in real and fact. And anyway, you can find my Telegram channel where there are a lot of reviews about my private chat, and you can have a look there too. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel, put your like, write a comment, and I will see you next time.